Good morning, you two. Alaska, give me a good morning. Ow! Good morning. Ow! Wow, wow, wow. One more time. Ow! Good morning, Angel. Phantom. Come and see Alaska. Come. What you got there? Oh, are you ready to play, you two? Did you love Bert sleep well last night? Alaska's in my care for a few days while her daddy's out of town. She was shy yesterday, but today she's a lot better. Look at these two. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Anthem, you gonna let her have that? Let's see how polite you are. Well, I did raise you right. You should have left that for Alaska. That's not very nice. I know, sweetie. Give it to Alaska. Phantom. Phantom. Look at me. Look at me. Give it to Alaska. That's right, Alaska. Here, honey. Here, baby girl. See, Phantom? To learn to share your toys. I have to learn to share your toys. Yes. Have a wonderful Friday, everyone. Phantom and Alaska will be going out for their daily walk a little bit later. You don't look very happy, mister. You have to learn to share. Yes. Pouty face. Stay safe, everyone. Cheers from Montreal. Look at this cutie. Alaska. Alaska. Oh! You want to say goodbye to everybody? Alaska. She's too busy. And Phantom, what's wrong with you? Oh, my poor puppy's upset. Are you upset with Mama? Are you upset? You've got so many toys. Whoops, what Mama just dropped. You've got so many toys in the yard, but of course you want that one. Oh, love you. Ciao, ciao. Funny face.